So good evening, one and all. Welcome to my show, Jackie Minds. Right now, guys, I am at a rooftop of my terrace. It's a beautiful sight over here. It's slightly drizzling, but still, little rain is always good for the pollution. It controls the pollution. The air, it controls the air, and so because of this, it's a beautiful sight over here. As you can see over here, when you walk down over here, you can see all people over here. All the people. And this is my area, guys. This is my area. So this is where I stay, and you can see the plants over here. They have been watered regularly and they are growing up also at the same time. And over here you can see one big banner which is called as drug house. This does not mean literally drug house. Actually there's one medical shop which is downstairs, so he's the owner. So his medical shop banner has been put here. It's a very nice banner they have put. So these are all these are all the small things what are there for what we just take as what you call confidence and let it come. So you get the feeling of oneness. So there are a lot of people over here inside, as you can see over here. Once you go this side, you will see a lot of gap over here. This is very nice over here. Like you can see that over there. That's the terrace over there. You can see that. That's the terrace. Right now it's raining. It's drizzling. Few of my friends are recording. Few of my friends are there. They are not come. Few of them have left. And today also has been a hard day's work for me. So after I finished work, I just came here and waited probably just 10 minutes, and I called on my editor. He started recording. It was a very beautiful sight. So just to continue, guys. So guys, as you can see, it's slightly drizzling. So before the rain increases, I would like to call few of my friends just for a small celebration. So it's the same two friends who acted in Ganpatra also. So please, Lakshman and Shira, please come over this side. Yeah guys, these two. Yeah, so we have just started as a group. It's a very fine group. So it's going to be like we are going to give you more entertainment. But the thing is that guys, we need more ideas, guys. We are just short of ideas, so we do not follow people. So we just do randomly as in case. So we just want ideas to flow in so that we can give you a superb expertise. Also we need all the people watching in also. I need all age groups people watching in and liking the video. So guys, if any corrections, please tell us so that we can improve on our thing. Because always as a human being, I believe that we got to improve in each and every level aspect of whatever you do. So this is just starting for us, guys. So I need more things. I need really more things, like more people viewing in also, and I need all kinds of people viewing in. There are no hard and fast rules. So these two are my friends over here. They have been a part of my first episode, so it's a very nice thing. So now so guys, I think I would like to end it here. So before going, I just wanted to show my terrace to all of you. I would call upon my friends there, please. Let's start off by going and seeing the terrace. It's a very beautiful sight. Like you would like to enjoy it. Always far sights are very beautiful to watch. So I think this is going to make you, I think, go on your heels probably, or if not, you'll be enjoying it. So we enter the terrace. It's also equivalent. It's just the same thing as the downstairs, but you get some other better kind of view from here. It's like an eagle view. Over there, if you can just zoom over there, that side, you can see there, guys. There's one electric pole over there where the eagles have their nests there. That's where the eagles have their nests. The small eaglets, everything. Many birds fly over here, many different kinds of birds fly over here. We feel very happy during mornings. It will be a very beautiful sight on the sky. It's actually raining. Many beautiful birds. I mean, all kinds of different birds I've seen. I cannot name them. And so these 3 seats over here, you can see these 3 seats. This is a very nice 3 seats over here. You can just sit and relax. So it's best, like it's a very comfortable thing. And unfortunately, the owner is very friendly with us. He does not, he does not ask us what are you doing. Like He is friendly. He wants to interact also, but because he'll be having work, he'll not be able to join in. So guys, as you can see, Mr. Chirag is sitting over here. So Chirag, please can you say something? It's raining, so I think guys this is like a campfire type. I just want to say it like this is like. It's a very nice thing guys. See here we do not get wet by rains because there's protection all around. You can see that you get protection all around. So like right now I think so it's let's have a blast and chill out guys. So it's been a very long time because after this during this rainy season I've never come out and posted out any video. So this is the first time what we are doing it. And during the rainy season when the rains come, I think this is absolutely really brilliant sight to watch. Actually guys, many people enjoy the rains as that's what we are doing. But we do not want to catch any cold, so we are just sitting there under the protection of this one. So hi my dear friends, I hope you liked my terrace view and my terrace what I showed on, but unfortunately I could not show you everything what was there on the terrace. And the day sight will be really amazing, and even I am going to post the early morning sight between 4 to 6 also. But please enjoy this guys, have fun, just relax and just keep enjoying life each and every day, each and every minute, each and every second. Thank you very much. And please enjoy the view of my house. Thank you.